Hi, it's Steffi from Steffi's Beads and Baubles. I have an interesting quick video for you. I was approached by Beebeecraft to review some of their products, and I accepted their offer, and I chose 4 products from their amazing selection. I was very impressed with their site. And they came in today. I would have unboxed them in front of you, but I didn't know what it was, and I was expecting a couple different orders, and there was absolutely no identifying information. So I just took, I had actually filmed this once before, so I put everything back together so I could start over. But they sent me 4 objects to review, 4 beautiful things, and then all they asked me to do is to show you what I got and then do at least 1 video showing my using these products. I'm actually going to do 2 videos because of the products I chose. So the first thing I chose was wire. Now I thought I was just getting a roll of, say, copper wire, which is kind of what this one here is. There's like a silver, a copper. This is a bright gold here. A purple or a brown. I can't, the lighting's not real good. There's a black, beautiful, like bright blue, bright pink. And that's a red and a light green and a dark green. And they're beautiful, and I was not expecting it. I did not know I was going to be getting this much wonderful wire. It says it's 8mm. I don't know if that's the length. It says size 8mm. That's a pretty good size wire. Does not say how much wire is on here. Let's open this up and see how big the spools look. I have not done that yet. So here's all the spools I got. And if I hold it up to the light, you can see it's not a ton of wire on each one, but it's a fair amount. It's a fair amount. It's probably a couple times around. Oh no, it's 1 time around. Looks like 1 time and a couple extra around on here. But, you know, for jewelry you don't need big amounts of wire. I like this. Is that a brown or a purple? It looks like it might be a brown, not a purple. So I think that's a brown. This is either a pink or a copper or a rose gold. Could be a rose gold. Well, this one's kind of smushed. This is the black, silver, red, the dark pink. This is exactly the color it's showing on my camera. Kind of a just a light green, kind of a Christmas green, and an orange. So those are going to be a lot of fun. And if you all remember, I bought those 2 tools at Hobby Lobby on clearance that I'm going to try out, and they need wire. So we'll do a double whammy video. I will not only do the wire for Beebeecraft, but I'll do one of those tools. Then they sent me these beautiful clasps. On some of my ornaments, especially the angels, I will put a clasp on them for a mirror, like a rearview mirror for a car. And the ones I have are very basic. They're kind of clunky and not very pretty. I saw these and they're gorgeous. They've got a nice etched stripe in them. See if I can get that up and let you see it good. You see that nice etched stripe. Really pretty. And there's 5 of them. And then these are, I tried to open this earlier. Okay, there's these 2 boxes of beads, and this one's bugle beads, and I tried to open this when I filmed the first time, and that's why I refilmed, because I could not get this. I opened this, but I couldn't get this to open, so I'm going to wait till later when I have it on a tray, and then I'll pry it open, and then I'll put each bead in a bag. That's how I keep all my bugle beads anyway. But anyway, they're gorgeous colors. You've got kind of a reddish color here. I'm sure without the plastic in between, they're even prettier. Orange, yellow, clear. A light blue, kind of opaque. This looks like a purple opaque. This one's kind of an aqua blue, maybe, and a black. And then these are the chopped up kind of bugle beads. They're the ones that are bigger than a seed bead, but it's like they took a bugle bead like this and cut it into about 4 pieces, 3 or 4. And it's got orange, red, the purple, the green, the blue, the light green, then a kind of a aqua blue, and a clear. So I'm going to do another, like an ornament that I feature these in. And I'll do something fun and colorful, and I'll feature these beads in it for a video for Beebeecraft. But anyway, be sure and check them out, Beebeecraft. I'll give you a review after I've used the products, but looking at the products, they're beautiful. I'm very pleased with the quality, the colors of the beads, and the shininess. They're gorgeous. They're absolutely gorgeous. The wire's beautiful, and I'm very impressed with these. They're the prettiest magnetic clasps I've ever seen. They're very pretty. So far, I'm very impressed. I was impressed when I went to their site to pick out what I wanted. I thought that they had a nice selection of all kinds of craft products. So I urge you to at least check them out, and then I'll let you know how I like the products as I use them. But I think it's going to be something I enjoy working with. I think I'm going to enjoy these beads a lot. I know I'm going to love these clasps. And then the wire, I'm very new to wire working. I've done a lot of wire working, but I've only done like a little bit of wire wrapping around a bead, adding charms to beads, and a little bit of chain linking necklaces and bracelets together. But I've never done any kind of the fancy stuff like those little gadgets I bought. So that'll be kind of fun. Then I never showed you these on my other video when we went shopping. I don't think I did a video on those items. We went to a thrift store that had a 50% off. They were very pricey, and I don't know if you guys go to thrift stores, but a lot of resellers are reporting the same thing, that these thrift stores are looking at eBay and they're looking at the videos of the resellers, and they're pricing stuff up really high. And they had 50% off, so we got a few things to resell on eBay, but these were the only two jewelry items. And this is solid. These are glass. You can hear it. They're heavy. They feel like glass, and they're like a shabby chic pink. They're just beautiful. Get the light. I'm still working on the lighting, guys, but they're just beautiful. Solid pink, very beautiful. And then some of the, like, there's a little bit of glass, a couple little glass beads, mostly plastic. I paid $1.50 for this one on half price. It was $3, and if it was $1 or less, it was not half price. And this one was $1, so I paid the $1. So I just thought I'd throw that in at the end of this video. But that's that, and I will be back soon. I'm working on that very unusual ornament for you. It's not going to be a full tutorial, although I'm toying with the possibility of maybe filming me making the first one and just showing parts of that, or doing each one as a step and then getting, you know, I just link all those little videos together. So I may do that to do a tutorial. If that works, I may do that going forward, because I know people prefer the tutorial, and at the end I can film the item and then show that at the beginning. I'm seeing what will work best, because I want to get several videos out to a week, but my granddaughter's going on 2, and we've had a lot of no days lately, and some days I'm up and down 20 times a day because she wants me to change the channel, or she doesn't like something that she's playing with. And it's really hard to bead when you're up, down, up, down, up, down, every literally 3 to 5 minutes sometimes. So I haven't really been able to do much this week. So that might be a new technique I try, is actually making it on camera. It's too long to film the whole thing, but I can film each stage, and then Movie Maker will stitch those together for me. And I can just have a still picture at the front, or do an ending and then do a start showing them that I can put at the start. So we'll see how that works out, and we'll go from there. If that works, then that might enable me to do a lot more videos, because I'll only have to do the one project per video instead of, like you saw with my bunny, I had to have 3 to show you the 3 stages. So this might work better. So let's keep our fingers crossed that I can do that. And I will be back in a day or two with that new ornament that I think you'll find pretty interesting. I can't wait to see your reaction to it. I'm excited to work with these new products. And also, another request I had was to start making things from the bead boxes, and also from the old jewelry I've taken apart, or the stuff I haven't taken apart. So I am going to do one video on each of the 3 bead boxes I've gotten, showing you something I've made out of the materials in that box. So I'll probably film one of those tonight and schedule it for the next day or two. And I've got 3 of those to do, and I should be getting another bead box from Vintage Beads the beginning of May, and then I'll do another video on the box, and then I'll do a video of what I made. I may have to add some stuff to it, but I'm going to try to predominantly use what's in the actual box, and then just add what I need to, like findings and maybe a couple beads or charms or something. So I'll see what I can figure out, but I'm hoping to do one of those videos tonight as well. So anyway, I'll be back soon, and thank you so much. And I don't say this often, but whenever you're watching someone's videos, if you like them, if you hit that like button, it really helps them. Especially people like me trying to build our channels, it helps the more likes we get. And if you don't like it, hit don't like. But just having interaction helps my channel. Of course, I love it if you subscribe. I don't say it every time because I figure people know if they like the channel, they're going to subscribe. But I'm trying to build my channel. And it would just mean a lot to me if you'd hit the like button if you do enjoy the video. And if you do like my videos and want to see more of them, if you hit subscribe and then the little bell next to it, it'll let you know whenever I come out with a new video. So thanks again so much, and I will be back tomorrow or the next day. I'm hoping tomorrow with the bead box video. Thank you. Bye.